Alright, so this is a follow-up. Hey, I'm Dennis, and this is going to be a follow-up video. I'm recovering quite well. We're just getting some rain here. Right here you can see we're getting one of the bands off of the Hurricane Delta. Here is the track of Hurricane Delta. It's right here at this point. And this is the track that it followed. This is the Texas line, and this is the Louisiana line. It split that section right there, and then went diagonally completely across the state. And right here is where it's at right now, moving northeast at 16 miles per hour, Saturday, October 10th at 10 a.m. That's probably a different time because it's 11. Of course, this says it's updated right now, so yeah, that's where it's at right now. So you can tell it went right diagonally across the entire state of Louisiana. And they're still in recovery themselves, just 6 weeks out from Hurricane Laura, which I didn't even know it at the time, but is the largest, strongest hurricane to have made landfall in Louisiana's recorded history. I didn't know that. I thought Katrina was worse, but I guess not. So anyway, that's where Derek's at, DT DistroTube. He's somewhere in the north side of Louisiana, Louisiana. And that's what he's getting hit with. Here where I'm at, this is just a small band of it's showing thunderstorms, but it's really just bad storms. I've heard no lightning, I heard no thunder, seen no lightning. And this is some live video from the hurricane chasers. This is what it looked like. This was posted 16 hours ago. So yesterday evening or late afternoon. One of they out in the Gulf, they have ads. Can you believe that? I'm gonna just close out of that. Out in the Gulf, they have these buoys that are set up, and they report all kind of information, weather just being one of them. They recorded a wave out here yesterday, 35 foot wave. I mean, that's Hawaiian stuff right there, buddy. That's deep ocean waves, 35 foot. That'd make even some of the larger ships take notice. Pretty big wave. And that's over here right now, somewhere up in this area. So I just making a video just saying, hey, everybody, I'm okay. DT's the one in the danger zone now. So let's turn all our mojo and send all of our good thoughts to him, because he's definitely going to need it. I did look at his channel, and he was out of power. Let's see if I can get to it. Just by quickly here. Mr. DT, that ain't it. There we go. If you'll go to his page and on his community right here, he posted this 11 hours ago, which would have been 11, about 12. Midnight. Lights are out, and the worst storm hasn't even made it to my area yet. So he's at that point when the power was already out. The storm had just really made landfall good. So at least we know he's okay up until this point right here, 11 hours ago. So the guy's going to have a hard time. He's going to be without power. He may even suffer more damage in his area than we suffered here through Hurricane Sally. Who knows? You just don't know. And so, like I said, I'm making this video for all my subs and anybody else that is even interested. Please turn your happy thoughts or your good thoughts mojo to Louisiana, because they are certainly going to need it now. All right. Okay, now posting my update. Like I said, I'm doing good. Today's been raining. It's kind of confined me to doing stuff right here in the house. So I took advantage of that, and I've filled up all the little boxes that I have with stuff, and I'm just packing and getting everything ready just to get her done. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back on another video soon, eventually. gonna name everybody that's helped me, man, because y'all have just been a godsend, every one of you. And I just can't believe how I'm humbled. Thank you very much. Okay. Catch you on the next video. Bye. Peace.